Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply roll back to previous version of Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just in WordPress dashboard, and when you're here, go to Elementor and just press Tools, and then just press Version Control. Now we're gonna see here the rollback to previous version. Experiencing an issue with Elementor, roll back to a previous version before the issue appeared. So rollback version 299, or go to whatever version you want, or rollback pro version. Again, you can roll back to whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support, and things like that. And yeah, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.